And we are live. You are live with Alpha Grafikon. Please do not swear. Hi everyone, my name's Chris. I run Alpha Grafikon, if you don't know that already. Today I'm just coming at you with a very quick website showcase for Liverpool Gifts Online. Made this one a little while ago, haven't had a chance really to get it out there. This site, it's a little bit different. The customer came to me and he basically, I'm not sure if you're aware, there's an Amazon affiliate marketing program where basically you get your own little personal links. Anything you sell through Amazon, you get a little bit from it. So if you've got a link for a digital camera, I click on the link for the digital camera, it takes me through to Amazon, I buy it off Amazon, you get a little piece for your niece, right? Most of the sites that are done in a way that's like a review. So they'll leave a review of the product and then there'll be a hyperlink at the bottom and you'll sell to you that way. I didn't, however, want to do it like this. I wanted to do it a little bit different, as you can imagine. So what we've done is sort of build an e-commerce store front. So it's a front for an affiliate marketing program. So it sort of just steps itself forward a little bit from the rest. It's an e-commerce store with a hyperlink that then takes you through to Amazon. So it's enough for me, it's easier for me to show you than it is. And have a little look at what we've got going on here. So as you can see, this is the homepage. What I will do is say all of our websites at Alpha Grafikon are optimized for your desktop, your mobile and your tablet. Your mobile view really does need to be there. Google will punish you up to 27 pages in its own rankings if you're not mobile optimized. What we're going to do though, we're going to jump into the desktop view. As you first land on the website then, you can see we've got a nice promo at the very top. As always, we have a promo at the top of the page to catch the user's eye. You've got 30 seconds before a user will dart off onto another website, so you need to make that 30 seconds count. Everything's moving, something for her, something for him, gifts in Liverpool, gadgets, it was all there and you're thinking, ooh, what's going on? Ooh, what's going on? Scroll down a little bit. What we tried to do at the very top then, with just imagine that everyone that's coming here, not everyone, but most of the people that are coming here are going to be looking for some sort of gaming thing or some sort of virtual reality headset. We've made this decision based on the stats that we've already seen on the website, what people are looking at. So we split it up. We've got Xbox One products, virtual reality headsets that's made to stand out a little bit because they are the most popular out of the lot. PlayStation and Nintendo. Click on any of these, it will take you through to that particular part and show you what we've got going. So let's go back to the home page. Scroll a little bit further down. We've got some reviews for the products that have been sold coming up at the top of the screen, and then we have our About Us section. We've got our vision and our promise. Everything on the website you will see is moving. The background of the website is alive with these wobbly balls. Wobbly balls, wobbly bubbles, wobbly bubbles, wobbly blobs. There we go. So you got these wobbly blobs in the background and moving presence in the foreground. Everything's active, and this is the same on the mobile view as well. We just slip over to the mobile view. Here we are. We can see it. Scroll down a little bit. Everything is still active on the mobile side of the site as well, which is not easy to do for all web developers whilst the site keeps running quickly. But our site's running the same servers as Amazon, so we've got 99% uptime. Basically, that means you can throw whatever you want into the website and it's never going to slow down. We've got a promo here that I made for them, so we're going to watch that. 40 seconds, tune in, let's have a gander. That's a promo that I created for them. I did do them a Christmas one as well for the seasonal times. At the top of the page, when we first land on the home page, then we've got our store categories all placed in the different rows going down the home page based on what the person may want to see. Every single one of these has a very clear title: Gamer Gifts in Liverpool. all for a search, Google search, gamer gifts Liverpool. What we've done as well, most companies will just put the word Liverpool into a title on your web page and think that's enough. To a certain extent, that is enough, but there's always more you can do. So what we do over here at Alpha Grafikon is we will get our client, as in Liverpool Gifts Online, we've got them to set up a Google My Business, geotag their location. So now for Google's web crawlers, they will land on this website, see Gamer Gifts Liverpool. They're saying they're in Liverpool. Then we're going to back up the fact that we're saying we are in Liverpool with our location. All right. So we'll just back up everything we're saying with Google, and that's only going to reward us in trust and authority when it's looking at placing us in our rankings. So here we've got just some featured products from the gamer gifts, all moving around and looking really good. We've got gifts for her, Liverpool, again, hyperlink. Gadget gifts, Liverpool, again, hyperlink behind it. Home gym equipment, Liverpool, and then we've got the social hub down at the bottom, which is just the Facebook page, and then links to any of the other social media that they do have. We're going to jump into the store. Another video at the top of the store. It's the same one that you've already seen. All our store categories are up at the top, and our featured products are here. Now, every single one of the products we put into a store at Alpha Grafikon does have its own individual SEO ranking. By that I mean it's set up for its own search engine optimization. I'm going to click into, let's have a look at these Samsung wireless chargers. So we've got the Samsung wireless official charger pad. The buy now button, there's no checkout, there's no like e-commerce actual function within this product, within this website. There we go. Then we got the buy now, that'll take you through to the Amazon store. If I was to purchase this now, then my client would receive some funds from that. Here, now I'm always pushing for engagement on the website. You'll see everything's moving. I'm trying to keep the user on the website for as long as possible at any given moment. So if they're looking at every single product on the store has a YouTube video at the top, which is the review of the product. The user on YouTube, he has been credited because he's there. Well, you can see him at the top. This is his video, so he won't mind us using that. And then it's high value backlink to YouTube. And we're also pushing for engagement. The user may
What's going on YouTube?
Sit and watch it for 10 minutes.
This is Canadian
Consumer,
Consumer,
watch it for 3.
and this is the Samsung.
Longer than if it wasn't there at all. Scroll a little bit further down, gifts in Liverpool, UK. Again, we've got the hyperlink at the bottom, and this is on every single product because this little line is what we're trying to rank for on Google. We're currently on page 2. We're trying to get to the first page, but we have to rank above Liverpool Football Club. So when that happens, you can be sure that I will be letting everybody know. We're going to let everybody know. And then we're going to scroll down. We've got the game hub. So you've seen the social hub on other websites. I've got like a style hub. This is the game hub. Again, like I've just been saying, I am trying to keep everybody on the website for as long as possible. So we've got a video for Fortnite, Assassin's Creed Odyssey, and Pavlov Virtual Reality. And then you've got your YouTube. These are the links. So I'm giving the guys credit who created the video. Don't just hack and steal people's content. Don't just put whatever you want into your website. There are copyright rules, and people will find you. They will find you. Google knows as well. It knows whose the content is, and it'll only punish you in the rankings. And that's basically the store. I'm going to come onto the blog post. People underestimate how valuable a blog post is. People don't understand. People, they'll share posts here and there. But with this client, the amount of traffic that comes through his website just from these blog posts is insane. He's on all social media, sharing around, just like we've taught him how to, and the way he's learned to do himself because he's been out there and he's learning. But the traffic comes through his blog posts. It's insane. And I would say make blog posts on your website, push them out there, look for relevant stuff. I'm just going to show you one that he has created, which is the perfect external hard drive for 2021. This is going to relate to a lot of people that are working from home at the minute. You're on your laptops, you're not on a work computer. The external hard drive is a godsend. I've got one plugged in now. And he's just talking about them, so he's getting them in, which is the best one to buy. Why? He's got a little hyperlink there, so that's going through to a product. So during his blog, he's selling on the website as an e-commerce site, but he's also selling sneakily, very, very sneakily, inside his blog posts. It's all going to work. It's all perfect, and it is working because he has started to make money from it. He's only starting out, but he has seen at least a small amount of turnover, which means the site's working. I would say though, have a blog post. Put effort into a blog post if you can. If you don't have time for a blog post, find another blog that relates to something that you're pushing, you're peddling, you're trying to sell, or just make sure you credit the person at the bottom. Google doesn't mind. You can have a full blog post about someone that dresses cats up in bikinis because that's what you want to do. Just credit the person at the bottom. If that is real, let me know. And then finally on this one, we've got the contact page. Very simple. We've got the promo again on there, just in case they do want to stay. And then we've got Drone Watch. So we've got a little sneaky extra at the bottom. And this is basically just people flying around with drones. So it may keep people on the website for a little bit longer. And again, we've credited the guys at the back. And then we've got an image, like a gamer's image in the background there. So that is everything for this website. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Maybe you've learned something, maybe you haven't. I did build this a while ago, so I'm just trying to catch up. And everything is done. So I hit my remote like this. I look at the button like this. And then I press it like this.